This is a housewife who has discovered where most of her husband's paychecks are going. Betting on sports. She gives the detectives the accommodation number that she knows her husband calls to make wagers. Even then, it is not easy to find the bookmaker's actual location. The telephone company will aid in tracing it through the maze of electronic evasion. Having located the apartment that the bookmaker works from a few hours each day, they keep it under surveillance. They learn the daily routine and plan for a legal yet fast entry when the action is heaviest, evidence most plentiful. With all bets in for that day, he finds that to balance his book and ensure a profit, he must lay off some heavily played teams. It is time to call the bookmaker's bookmaker, almost always an agent of organized crime. Layoff is big business. Without it, few bookmakers could operate. Information leads to investigation. Investigation to surveillance. Surveillance to apprehension. Armed with a warrant, police planned their raid when the maximum evidence would be on hand, and with minimum chance for its destruction. There is no cooperation from the bookmaker, but their continuing investigation will uncover other evidence. The unauthorized electronic equipment, the testimony of the not-so-innocent owners of the apartment. They find the water-soluble paper on which the bets were written, and a little black notebook listing the bookmaker's layoff and line odds sources. They lead directly to organized crime.